What's up, crypto crew? Welcome back to Crypto Charcha, your daily dose of all things crypto. We're diving headfirst into a story that dropped literally just hours ago. Pakistan, a country that's been pretty anti-crypto up until now, seems to be having a major change of heart.
Yeah, it's certainly a surprising development, especially considering their previous stance.
Right. For those just tuning in, we're talking about a report from DonN.com, one of Pakistan's leading news outlets, published today, February 26, 2025. It details a meeting between Pakistan's finance minister and a delegation of former U.S. President Trump's advisors,
Mm.
specializing in, wait for it, digital assets.
It is interesting to see this level of involvement from the Trump administration. Even after leaving office, it speaks to the growing influence of crypto on the global stage.
Absolutely. And it's not just talk. One of these advisors, Gentry Beach, apparently hinted at a possible $1 billion investment in Pakistan during a visit last month. $1 billion. That kind of money makes a statement, right?
It certainly does. If this investment materializes, it could be a massive catalyst for crypto adoption in Pakistan. But we need to understand what this shift actually entails. The article mentions a proposed National Crypto Council, which sounds like a significant step.
Right, like, is this going to be Pakistan's crypto dream team? What kind of power are we talking about here?
From what's been reported, this council would be responsible for crafting crypto-friendly policies, navigating regulatory hurdles, and essentially laying the groundwork for a flourishing crypto ecosystem in Pakistan. Think of it as a central authority tasked with making Pakistan a crypto hub.
Okay, so they're not just dipping their toes in the water, they're building a whole crypto water park. But hold on, Pakistan already has over 20 million active crypto users, according to this article. What's the deal with that?
That's a significant user base, and it highlights a key point. Interest in crypto already exists in Pakistan, but these users face challenges like those ridiculously high transaction fees. If Pakistan wants to become a crypto leader, they need to tackle these barriers to entry.
Makes sense. But there's this other thing that really caught my eye. Tokenizing state-owned enterprises. Now, I'm no finance wizard, but isn't that like turning government buildings and stuff into digital assets you can trade?
You've got the right idea. Imagine owning a tiny piece of a Pakistani infrastructure project, like a bridge or a power plant, through a digital token. It's a way to potentially unlock new avenues for investment and fundraising.
Whoa, okay, my mind is officially blown. So we've got possible billions in investment, a dedicated crypto council, millions of existing users, and they're talking about tokenizing national assets. This is huge EE, right?
The potential is certainly there, but we need to look at this from all angles. Regulation and compliance with international guidelines, especially those set by the FATF, that's the Financial Action Task Force, a global anti-money laundering watchdog, are crucial.
Right, got to make sure things are legit and above board. Safety first, crypto fam. But let's be real, even with the potential downsides, the fact that a country like Pakistan is making these moves is a big deal.
Absolutely. It signals a shift in the global perception of crypto. We could be witnessing a domino effect in action, with other nations watching Pakistan's progress closely.
All right, so Pakistan's diving into the deep end of the crypto pool. This is big news, and it's going to have ripple effects across the entire crypto market. Before we break down what this means for why you are savvy traders, let's take a quick pause. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with more on Pakistan's crypto revolution and what it means for your portfolio. And hey, while you're here, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our daily crypto breakdowns. We'll be back in a flash.
Welcome back, crypto crew. We're picking up right where we left off, Pakistan's surprise crypto pivot, and what it means for the global market. Now you know we're all about giving you the intel you need to stay ahead of the curve, so let's get down to brass tacks. What does this mean for your crypto game plan? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? First off, let's talk about that regulatory framework we touched on before. Pakistan aligning with FATF guidelines could be a huge green light for institutional investors. Those are the big players, the whales. And they bring serious capital to the table.
So basically, if Pakistan plays by the rules, the big money comes pouring in. And more money in the market usually means good things for everyone.
Right. Generally speaking, yes. Increased liquidity can lead to more stability and potentially even bigger gains. Now let's talk about those tokenized, state-owned enterprises. Imagine a scenario where you can invest in a piece of Pakistani infrastructure, like a power plant, through a digital token. That's a real-world asset with the potential for growth.
It's like owning a slice of the Pakistani economy, but in digital form. It sounds futuristic, but also kind of genius.
The potential is definitely there, but remember, with any investment, there are risks. Do your due diligence. Understand the underlying asset, how the tokenization process works, and what regulations are in place.
Solid advice. Don't just jump in blindly, folks. Knowledge is power in this game. But let's say, for argument's sake, everything falls into place. Pakistan becomes this crypto utopia, attracting tons of investment and fostering innovation. What's that do to the global crypto scene?
That's where things get really interesting. If Pakistan pulls this off, it could send a powerful message to other countries that have been hesitant about crypto. We could see a wave of adoption, particularly in developing nations.
Like a chain reaction. One country takes the leap, then another and another. Suddenly, crypto becomes this global phenomenon, breaking down financial barriers.
Exactly. Increased adoption means a larger, more diverse market, potentially leading to less volatility and more opportunities for traders like yourselves. But we have to be realistic. There will be bumps along the way.
Always got to keep it real, right? Okay, so we've got this potential surge in investment, a brand new crypto council shaping the landscape, the possibility of owning a piece of Pakistan's infrastructure through digital tokens, and a potential ripple effect across the globe. This is exciting stuff. But what are some concrete things our listeners should be doing right now to take advantage of this situation?
First and foremost, stay informed. This is a developing story and things are changing rapidly. Make sure you're subscribed to Crypto Charcha. We'll be breaking down all the latest developments as they happen.
Couldn't have said it better myself. We'll be your eyes and ears in this fast-moving crypto landscape. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Potential investment opportunities. Where should our savvy traders be focusing their attention?
Keep an eye on Pakistani exchanges. They're likely to see increased activity as more investors enter the market. We might see new tokens emerge, particularly those tied to tokenized assets.
So basically, do your research, find reputable exchanges, and be ready to pounce when those opportunities present themselves.
Precisely. But remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Be patient, be strategic, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Words to live by in the crypto game. Now, before we get into some potential risks and challenges, I want to remind everyone, if you're digging this deep dive, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Sharing is caring, so spread the crypto love, and let's get this channel growing. All right, back to business. Pakistan's journey into the crypto world isn't going to be all sunshine and rainbows, right? What are some potential roadblocks we need to be aware of?
One major challenge will be ensuring transparency and accountability. Pakistan has to build trust with investors, demonstrating that their crypto framework is robust and reliable. Another potential issue is ensuring that the benefits of crypto adoption reach a wide range of people, not just the wealthy elite.
Right. We want to see this technology empower everyday Pakistanis, not just line the pockets of a few.
Absolutely. And then there's the issue of security. Crypto markets, especially in emerging economies, can be vulnerable to scams and hacks. Education and awareness will be key to protecting users.
So Pakistan's got its work cut out for it. They've got to create a system that's secure, transparent, and benefits everyone. But hey, maybe they can pull it off right.
It's definitely an ambitious undertaking, but the potential rewards are huge, not just for Pakistan, but for the entire crypto space. Imagine a world where crypto becomes a powerful tool for economic development, empowering individuals and fostering innovation on a global scale.
That's a future I can get behind. All right, so we've covered a lot of ground. The potential benefits, the potential risks, the exciting opportunities, and the challenges ahead. Now for our grand finale, let's look at the bigger picture. What could Pakistan's crypto pivot mean for the future of finance? Could this be the start of something truly revolutionary?
That's the question we'll explore in our final segment. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back to wrap things up and leave you with some food for thought. And hey, while you're waiting, drop a comment below and let us know what you think about Pakistan's crypto move.
All right, Crypto fam, we're back for the final round of our Pakistan crypto deep dive. We've talked about the potential, the risks, the excitement, even the possibility of owning a digital piece of a Pakistani power plant. Now let's get philosophical for a minute. What does all this mean for the future of money itself?
That's the big question, isn't it? We've been talking about Pakistan, but this story is much bigger than one country. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about finance.
Like, is this the beginning of the end for traditional banks and financial systems as we know them? Are we all going to be trading Bitcoin for groceries in the metaverse someday?
It's certainly possible. Crypto has the potential to disrupt the status quo, to create a more inclusive and decentralized financial system. Imagine a world where access to financial services isn't determined by where you were born or how much money you have.
Oh, that's a powerful thought. Like crypto as a tool for social and economic empowerment.
Exactly, and Pakistan's move could be a catalyst for that kind of change. especially in developing nations. If they can demonstrate that crypto can be a force for good, for progress, it could inspire others to follow suit.
It's like those dominoes we were talking about earlier,
Yeah.
but on a global scale.
Yeah.
One country takes a leap and suddenly everyone wants in on the action.
And that's what makes this so exciting. We're not just talking about investment opportunities or market trends. We're talking about a potential paradigm shift in how the world handles money.
It's like we're witnessing a financial revolution in real time. The old rules are being rewritten, and crypto is leading the charge.
And remember, revolutions are rarely smooth sailing. There will be challenges, setbacks, and unexpected twists and turns. But that's what makes this journey so thrilling.
You said it. All right, Crypto Crew, that's a wrap on our Pakistan crypto special. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the nitty-gritty details to the mind-blowing possibilities. But remember, this is just the beginning of the story.
Stay informed, stay curious, and keep an open mind. The crypto world is constantly evolving, and those who are willing to learn and adapt will be the ones who thrive.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Big thanks to our amazing Crypto Charcha community for joining us on this wild ride. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And be sure to leave a comment below. We want to hear your thoughts on Pakistan's crypto move and what it means for the future of finance. Until next time, stay crypto, my friends.